As the inquiry into the use of the Emergencies Act continues, assertions by Ontario's Premier have again come under question, this time about whether he would testify.
How come, Premier Ford, you're not testifying at this inquiry? Were you asked? Did you decline?
I have not been asked.
But the Commission has now officially summoned him after it says he declined multiple requests to do so voluntarily. It says that in September it asked both Ford and Deputy Premier Sylvia Jones for an interview, but that request was refused. It renewed the request a number of times. It then requested they testify voluntarily, but that was declined by the province for the moment. The Ontario government says it will challenge the summons in court, arguing it violates parliamentary privilege. All this follows another seeming contradiction last week.
I stood shoulder to shoulder with the Prime Minister.
But records of conversations between Justin Trudeau and then Mayor Jim Watson show they believed Ford was hiding for political reasons. The summons follows a request of the Commission from 3 different lawyers.
The Commission of Inquiry has a mandate to get at the truth of what happened in February. So the fact that the province of Ontario would go this far to ensure that the Premier and that former Solicitor General Jones don't have to appear in person and give evidence is quite striking. It's disappointing.
Others stress the need to have the province appear at the inquiry at a political, not just policing level.
Those 3 weeks in February were very traumatizing for the people of Ottawa, and they felt very abandoned and let down by all 3 levels of government. We do have Mayor Watson who's appeared, and the Prime Minister will be appearing later, and that's really the missing piece.
Rafi, when it comes to the Commission itself, there were some new details today about the head of the RCMP and her position on whether the Emergencies Act was needed.
Adrienne, it turns out that just hours before Prime Minister Justin Trudeau kicked in the Emergencies Act on February 14th, RCMP Commissioner Brenda Lucki wrote an email to a senior public safety official saying that in her opinion, not all legal options had been exhausted, though she did find the act could be useful. Now, that's not a very different position than what we've been hearing from the Ontario Provincial Police so far, and no doubt likely to come up when Lucki herself testifies.
All right, Rafi Boudjikanian in Ottawa, thank you as always.
You're welcome.